father's name is Shahzad. He is a loving person who takes care of my entire family. He is a teacher by profession and is a very hardworking person. He is an intelligent person who answers all my questions in a witty way. My father respects his own parents, my mother and each member of my family. He maintains cordial relations with our relatives, friends and neighbours. He drops me and my sister to school and my mother to work every day. He helps me and my younger sister in our studies every day. He teaches us humanity and ethics of life. My father is my role model and I want to become like him one day.